It's...
Sorry, guys.
Hey, mate.
Nice. Oh.
Alright, so builds.
This is
Just
certainly
tweak my
going to be interesting.
No, I don't think I've got them.
The 4.5s.
Yeah.
You might be able to
Definitely.
buy them if you've got the money in the Envy store. Envy 4.5 Pro.
Even if you don't, mate,
Pro.
just go with the lightest ones you get.
Yeah,
Nah, it's
no, they're the wheels you want.
I'm fucking loaded.
Yeah, if you got the money, yeah. So Envy SES 4.5 Pro. If you got them, buy them, equip them. They are so the two fast non-disc wheels in this game now are the DT Swiss 65s. They're basically the super all-round aero version, and the 4.5s are the super all-round climb version. They're both very similar. On most courses, they turn almost the exact same time. The only difference is one's a bit quicker up hills and one's a bit quicker on the flats.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, thanks, Jolie, for stepping in for me.
No, you're right, mate. All good.
I don't know if it's a good thing that the people step in and then have to listen to the person who's sitting on the couch thanking them. Like, is it a thank you or is it an F you?
He's
All
ready.
teasing us last week.
Oh, and I had
the end of the bus, mate. I'm not a climber, so
Yeah.
I'm cursing you for setting up these bloody Fox and Fox Hills.
yeah, well,
Yeah, we're going to be struggling up there.
yeah, Herd likes the hills. Let's just see how it works out. I think this is going to be a tough win, but we'll just see. Because these guys all got strong, long power. Well, a few of them in particular. One of them, I'm not sure how they're not an A grader. Can't understand how they.
One of them is an A grader.
Not that I
Yeah, they
saw.
got an A grader.
Do they?
Yeah, they got an A grader.
Oh, well, that'll be Hendrick, right?
I can't remember who it was. I just remember seeing it. I was like, shit. it's
Hendrick
over.
Rommers or something. He's like 291 watts and he's in the 60 something kilos.
Yeah.
Anyway, 20 seconds.
That's all right. We'll have a bit of fun.
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll get them.
I think the goal is just follow, and let's see what happens after we go through climb 1. Good luck, guys.
Good luck, guys.
Herd usually never start fast, so no need to take off. And considering the climb, you're just burning your legs before you get to the climb.
Might as well, though.
Be confident.
I mean, look at what they're having to do. She's got special sometimes, does she?
No one with super special socks that I can see.
Decent climber.
Yeah, the special socks have toilet paper rolls hanging off them. They take some effort to get to. I'm only halfway there.
Alright.
What am I doing off the front? I'd like to be let out. I haven't done this yet, actually. It works. I can post emojis. It's the first one I've ever done. Okay. So it should be right, then left. Is that correct? I guess we'll find out.
I think so.
I should have accidentally forgot to put my weight up by half a kilo.
Half won't make a difference. Figure out.
I should have put mine down by 10.
Ah man, don't be like that. That's why people cry about racing on Zwift. Oh, everyone's cheating with their weight.
Yeah, I was already crying today.
Yeah. If that really fast guy goes off the front, I suggest we leave him go. That's not him though. He's just sitting at the back actually.
Nice work, Sam. Try and hold them up. The front,
Yep.
and slow them down.
Yeah. After the legs, you gotta go a while. So I'm going to attempt to follow whoever their second rider is. No higher.
Who's our climber then?
I don't know, not me. He bailed, I believe. Sitting on the couch. Let's not lead him out.
They're slowing down for their Heinz guy.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks.
That's a good thing.
We're a bit tidier. Gradient's a bit lower.
Our goal is just to be with them. If we're going to get them, it's after the hill. Patience. Save legs. If you're off the front, drop back in for some draft. 8 watts is 8 watts.
How's everyone feeling?
Not bad actually, but I'm not going to jinx myself.
Yeah, this is definitely slower than I was anticipating.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah,
It's not crazy. Hans might be dangling, they might be doing it for him.
They just probably want to stay together. Let's just see how it works out. Follow.
Well, I'm kind of hanging in with mine.
Yep. Do only what you need to do. And let's see how the dust settles. Okay, let's change up the muscles.
Push now, Hans. Just push back on a maybe press me box.
I think we're dropping our guy doing this.
Go, Dave.
Keep it up, Dave.
Slow it up.
Sit back, guys, sit back, in case Irving can get back on.
You got it, Dave. What's the pass?
Draft and feather, I think.
Make sure we lose contact here, driving it on the front to keep Dave off.
Yeah. That's why I jumped forward a bit. Try and put their guy in a bit of a pain with a gap. Okay, nice and easy now. If you've got a power up, I reckon don't waste it. Maybe we can make something happen up here once we get off the descent.
Yep. So we're going to have to do some attacks in this
Yeah, I agree.
section to do some damage, but we have to do it smart. So make sure we're not chasing our own attacks back.
Yes,
To sit on their wheels when they go to close it.
agreed. So let's take turns. Once we get to the bottom, let's clear the escalator, and then we'll go from there. With the escalator, guys, make sure you wind up into it from the back, from behind it. Carry speed into it. That way your power will help hold your speed. And if they kind of ease into it, then they'll have to work extra hard to kind of get their momentum going again.
So as soon as we hit the base, guys, I'm happy to push. So if anyone wants to jump on, I'll be able to draft from the back as soon as we hit the base.
Well, I don't think that's a good time. I think you need to wait for the speed to drop. If you try and push off the front at 66 kilometres per hour, you need an awful lot of watts to move away.
Well, that's what I'm good at, mate, so.
Use the Rob Bomber.
If you feel confident, I think you're better off waiting until it's a little bit slower.
Bloody hell.
Sorry guys, I couldn't hang on. At the top of that hill.
Oh, you're right.
It shows how much of a difference a group makes. So we're just quite literally sitting on 100 watts and just rolling away from Irving.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's that? No, the Galvin's like 4 minutes. There's no way it's got back to me. Truly.
That's all good, mate. Just sit on a solid pace that you can maintain just in case one of their guys gets dropped. Because remember, these guys are all in the mid.
Winding up now into this corner. If anyone wants to come.
Okay, here we go. I'm just going to follow them. They're mostly letting you go.
Nice work, Joel.
Good stuff, mate.
Coming, Joel.
Yeah, he's in it. Crack two of them on that climb. Let's one. Hines.
Come on, Joel. I think they're bridges, just these.
G herds off the back as well.
One of them,
Push a bit.
other one's off the back as well. There's two of them that have dropped.
Push a bit.
Keep pushing if you can.
Yep,
I'm going to just take a little pull
that's a
here.
great idea. He's trying to slow you up.
Yep. It's all right.
Yeah, keep pulling. 3.5. G herds at 3.
Yeah, let's let him crack with ease.
They're long off the back. They're not coming back.
I reckon we want
Just slow up. I'll have an attack.
Yeah, okay. Who's in the front? Come right. You're by yourself.
Yeah, just slow it down.
Yep, on.
Okay, Sandy. Okay.
Okay. No one's following. No, they're ramping.
Set on his wheel.
It's all good. What I'm doing.
Yeah, he's pulling it.
Yeah, there's big numbers coming in. Alright, he's on me. I'm stopping.
That's it. Oh, he's coming through.
You have a great truck, you got it? Keep it on.
I'm just going to make them all work a bit.
No, they're just going to sit in your wheel.
Okay.
It's a tough or nothing.
We've got 20 and 30 seconds.
Yeah, they're not cashing back on.
Yeah. We need to work as a group.
Okay, we have TT happening up front.
Yeah, there's a bit of a gap.
Push up, Singers.
Hang on, what's going on your bike?
If you've got it, once you come through, go a dig.
Yeah.
I want to get some recovery because I'm low.
Yeah.
Well, probably not as bad as it looks, but
You can sit now. It took 30 seconds.
yeah. Yep.
He's a bit.
Hold on.
Let's sit in on them. Sit in on them, guys, and then let's go a few attacks again. Get some legs back. Right, let's go nice and easy so their guys actually start coming back at us a bit.
No, they're 40 seconds, they're dead.
Yeah, but
Yeah. I'm working
don't-
there, what?
we
I might
only
do another
can,
attack.
there's 4 of us, 3 of them. Let's work on just getting rid of them slowly.
We can get 2.
I'd like to get kind of back up towards 15.
On this time, we can't let them get 1, 2, and 3 because I'll win it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think if they go all out, there's 2 of them that are going to be really hard to beat in this group.
That's alright. We'll give it a best.
Okay, they're responding. Okay, we got 2 groups now. We got 1 of them here.
And then
Sam, you sit on
another
them.
one in that other group. Hold them up in the
Yep. Okay, guys, you just want to cross 1 by 1. No, he's following. He's
Down his wheel.
okay.
Just keep going.
Go, Jolie. Okay, you guys ease. We're coming through.
You've got energy doing an attack.
Yeah. Go for it, go.
Okay.
I can save it up.
Keep the pace, so you might as well use it.
Okay. Alright.
Sarah's lifting, but doesn't have the pinch.
They're slowly creeping away.
Yep, doing good, Troy.
Keep going.
Making them work.
I might be able to get one over. They gap it about enough.
It's making them work at least. Doing good, Troy. Keep it up.
As soon as we regroup, let's film them again.
You want to go next, Joe? How you feeling?
Get shags, but we'll go get lunch.
Yeah,
I've got.
I think it's hurting him.
I don't know.
Yeah, they're not really responding.
Have you got any more, Joel? Otherwise, just not Joel. Sorry, Troy.
No, I'm getting pretty low.
Okay, that's that. If you need to dial it back, that's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah, it's starting. They're starting to work a little bit now.
Yep.
Keep going and going.
All right, ready? All right, coming on to the group.
Yep. Nice work, Joel.
Come on, just want to come with me. No, he's on.
It's alright, just dial it right back. He's in your draft. Stay in his wheel.
Yeah.
Right. I'm gonna have a go.
They're nice.
Just stay in their wheel as they go.
I'm doing that. I reckon stay behind Sarah. Just helping her out. Let that guy work.
Yeah, they let him anyway.
Just make sure you're not dragging him over.
Okay. Don't be too far till we go climbing again.
Yep.
I'll leave you to play with him if you want. I'm just going to sit here with
You're
these
gonna
guys
go, Joel.
and get the legs I can get.
Hey Dave, you're only 10 seconds behind. You can put a dig in.
Just going to slow right down. You can get a bit of a gap here, Joel. Don't go nuts, but yeah.
Okay, ease up, they're all coming to you. Sit on them.
Gonna be a lot of tight legs on this time up.
Yep. Agreed. That's
Just
how it
roll easy. Don't keep that 2-second gap.
Yeah, mate. You're gonna catch me on the climb anyway. So.
might just ease and just jump back
point
in.
pushing.
Get the littlest bit of break you can.
Yeah.
At least climb in the draft. Okay, left and then right, I think. Okay, what do we got? Grant teams are really strong, but they're right at the back. Up the front, Adam looks good, Sam looks good. There are 2 other guys up the front, don't look so good. So, we're not in a bad way. Let's just draft these guys, and then we'll work it out as we get up there. There should be a bit of a flat before the finish, so a sprint's possible.
Yeah, sorry, fellas, I'm cracked.
Come on with me, bud.
Keep going, Singers. 5 seconds on
I can't get out
Sierra.
I can't get out of the seat. Oh, okay. Okay.
Go, fellas. Good luck. Go luck.
Irving, man, get him. Get him and sit on him.
Racing. Well, mate.
Well done, Sam. Well done, mate. Go, Sam. Up and over, mate. You got him? Good luck.
Racing. You got it, mate.
Not on you. You're trying to get on. Push, push, push. Yes. Well played.
Well done, mate.
All right, boys.
Easy. 1.5 minutes back for me. I'll leave.
Right, got him.
Good way to go.
Good work, Troy.
Good one, Jolie. Okay. All over to you, Irving.
Yeah, they were hiding a lot of power there. I suppose they were
So,
you guys, so
Irving, this guy's fresh. He's relatively fresh. He's a both similar condition according to the data.
Got him, Dave. You're stronger than him.
Well done.
Just go nuts when you get to that sprint point.
Yeah, catch him by surprise.
Just kind of rub wheels with him a little bit. Don't go past him, but rub wheels, because that way it gives him less chance to get away from you if he jumps. I'll yell out as I'll yell as soon as I see his power spike. Just cruising at 200. So this guy's got a 273 FTP, you're 290, David. So you've got a slight power advantage. Similar weight. Okay, he's 300 watts, almost 400. No, he's easing.
He's going.
Yeah, he's winding it up a little. Get on him. He's at 500. I reckon just punch it and go through him.
Go, Dave, go.
Oh, he's giving up.
Oh, nice. Good trick. Yeah, you stuffed him. Okay, get on him. Okay. Okay, you're on the flat now. Don't stop. Stay with him.
Go.
Yep, I'd go full tilt now, mate. Go. Give it everything. Give it the beans.
Get him, Dave,
That's it. Perfect timing. Go. Everything. That's it. Go. Yes. Well done. And it's on YouTube. It definitely happened.
Good effort.
Who needs Strava? Nice one. Awesome win. That's an awesome little effort there, mate. First one dropped, but not last across the line. Well earned money. That's awesome, mate. Well done. Now give him the elbow as he rolls past.
What was our places?
We got second, fifth, sixth, and seventh, I think. Didn't we get second? Didn't Sam get second?
Nah. No.
Oh, okay. I obviously didn't look at it very well.
I think 25 we got, so that's not a bad effort.
Yeah.
9. I think they beat us by 2.
Yeah, I'm pretty confident they got us, but it'll be close-ish. And for a course that suits them, that's actually not half bad.
Yeah, so what is it, like 55 points all up, so we got 25, so they got 30.
Yeah, they'll have low 30s, like 32, something like that. 32, 31, something like that.
You get 10, 9. Oh, yeah. 19.
I should have changed bikes. Got K's in my other bike. What an idiot.
What do you get for a win, 10?
10 for a win, then one
for
less point for every position after that. That's right, I'll look at the site later. We'll see how it worked out, but I think they got us, but still that's good anyway.
Well, I did my best to try and work them on the flats there, fellas. Put in a couple of big punches.
Yeah, good effort.
Yeah, I think we did alright there. I think that was pretty good. We put a lot of hurt on them.
I think,
thanks. Guys.
I didn't, if I'd known the power that they got, I don't know that there was much that we could have done necessarily.
Yeah, so none of them were strong in terms of power, apart from the A grader was similar to us with less weight, but the rest of them were all kind of like lower. And they're not a lot lower than us, but they're just a little bit lower, a little bit lighter. So you know, if it had been a flat course and a straight match up, I reckon we had them, no worries. Even the exact same. Just having two good climbs in there, it just makes the main focus point the climbs, and we can't gain much against them on the climbs, but they can draft us on the flats and, you know, gain something back. It's a good effort regardless. I think it was pretty good. And we didn't have an A-grader.
That's the thing. Sometimes they're just gonna have more power.
Yeah, well, that's the one thing that we struggle with a little bit is most of these teams that we race against, DSS, Icarus, and Herd, all three of them have a handful of pretty like solid, strong riders, and like we're all B graders, but none of us are kind of punching into A kind of thing. You know what I mean? We're not like borderline rubies and that. So anyway, it is
seem to be heavier.
Yeah, well, it depends on the team. Like that team is. Every time I've raced Herd, they've always been mostly lighter guys. It's just obviously that's what the group does a lot of, and they get along because they like climbing, or I don't know how it works out, but they just seem to be a lot of climbers for whatever reason. I know. So anyway, all good. It's a nice attempt regardless. We can always get them back next time because we can challenge them. We can pick a perfectly flat course. Tempest Fugit.
We should do or we should do that Dolphin crit course. I haven't done a race there in a while.
Dolphin is the uphill one, isn't it? The cobble climb.
Course.
Yeah, you're talking about Crit City. So you've got Dolphin and Bell Lap.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, Bell Lap is up the rollers, and Dolphin I think is up the cobbles, if I'm not mistaken.
Because that's not completely flat, but most flat.
Yeah, I don't reckon flat is our jam. I reckon we want punchy kind of rolling stuff where we can think about where we can hit them hard up the climb and then push over the top, but not like big climb, you know what I mean? Just